What if there was a place where you could leave your worst memories behind forever? But what if the cost was part of who you are? Today, we aren't just making content, we are telling a story about regret, magic, and the courage to heal. We're building a cinematic short film called The Bridge That Only Appears at Night. And the secret? We aren't touching a single animation tool until we know exactly why we are using it. Welcome to the Think First workflow. By the end of this video, you will have a fully animated scene. You'll see Ike, a boy carrying a heavy regret, and Leora, the mysterious girl who knows the bridge's secret. You'll feel the atmosphere, the damp night air, the chirping insects, the quiet tension of magical realism. We're going to build this world from scratch, ensuring that the technology serves the emotion, not the other way around. Here is the mistake everyone makes. They open the image generator first. They start prompting "cool bridge," "sad boy," and hope a story magically appears. That is a recipe for a mess. We are going to do the opposite. We are going to separate the thinking from the doing. This Google document is our brain. This is where the magic happens. We will plan the title, the script, the shots, and the character movement right here. We won't open Whisk AI, Grok, or 11 Labs until this document is perfect. Step 1. Open the Google document linked below. Find the section for title ideas. Copy that prompt structure. Paste it into ChatGPT. Now, don't just ask it to make up a story. Give it your seed. For us, I typed in, "A hidden bridge appears at night. A boy and a girl want to cross it to erase painful memories." Look at that. It gives us variations. But the bridge that only appears at night, that hits different. It's mysterious. It's cinematic. We pick that one and we lock it in. Now that we have our concept, we need the words. Go back to the doc, copy the script generation prompt, and feed it to ChatGPT. We tell the AI, this is an emotional story. Keep the dialogue sparse. Let the visuals speak. And look what we get. Leora isn't just talking, she's guiding. Ike isn't just standing there, he's hesitating. This script is our blueprint. If the story doesn't work here in text, it won't work in animation. Next, we need to tell the AI what this world looks like. Copy the image prompt section from the doc, paste it into ChatGPT. We define our atmosphere: calm, emotional, old wooden houses, soft warm lights, a stone bridge glowing. Notice something important. We aren't asking for specific camera angles yet. We are asking for scenes. We want open-ended prompts that let the image generator be creative within our boundaries. We need a prompt for the town, the bridge, Ike's close-up, and Leora's silhouette. This is the game changer. Usually, people just type "make it move" into the video AI. Not us. We use the animation instruction prompt from the doc. We tell ChatGPT to break down how things move. For Ike, we need subtle facial movement, lip syncing. For the bridge, we need the fog to drift, but the bridge to stay solid. We explicitly plan where the characters speak. We build the instructions before we even spend a single generation credit. Now we can have fun. Open Whisk AI, take those visual prompts we just made and paste them. Look at that lighting. Warm windows against cool moonlight. It matches our text description perfectly. Generate a few variations, pick the best ones. Next, animation. Take the images into Grok. Copy the animation prompts we pre-planned. Since Ike has a line here, is it true? Can I really forget? We enable the lip sync feature. Grok creates the movement and mouth shapes. For the wide shots of the bridge, we simply let the mist flow. Finally, the voice. 11 Labs. We need a narrator who sounds like they're telling a campfire secret. Maybe a soft, older voice, or perhaps Leora's voice, gentle but strong. Generate it, download it. Now we act like a chef. We have all our ingredients prepared. Open CapCut, drop in the voiceover first, then match the video clips to the words. See that? Ike speaks exactly when the voice speaks because we planned it. Add soft river sounds, maybe a cricket or two. Color grade it slightly cooler to sell the nighttime mood. Because we did the thinking first, the editing becomes easy. It's just assembly. And that is how you create a story that feels real. You don't let the tools drive the car. You drive, they're just the engine. If you want to try this Think First workflow, I've linked the Google document template below. Give it a shot with your own story. If you like this, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you'd cross the bridge or not. And I'll see you in the next one. Create something magical.